How do you trim the middle parts of the video on your Android? Let me show you how you can do this. And if this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, you can open up your Photos app and locate any videos. You can tap on the pencil tool to edit, and you can trim it from one side or the other. That's obvious, and you likely knew about that. So, that's pretty simple. But if you want to cut out the middle part of the clip, then we cannot really do it inside of the built-in Photos app. Instead, what we have to do is to open up some sort of video editor. There are more options which you can download from the Play Store, but we need a dedicated video editor app to perform what we need. So usually my recommendation is to use CapCut, where you can import the clip as such, and using the split tool. So you can see I have this vertical line, so I decide where the part that I want to cut out begins. So I'm going to go there, click on a split, move to the right a bit forward, and then a split again. And I have a middle section of the video, which I can do whatever I want with. But most likely, we just want to cut it out. So I'm going to click on trash. The video has that particular part removed. And now I can just export it as a finished project and have it saved in my gallery, but now without that particular part. So it basically gets the job done. It does exactly what we needed. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'm going to talk to you later.